तो जैसा कि आप सब स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं, बायोलॉजी के लिए हम रिकमेंड करते हैं कोचिंग मॉड्यूल्स, जो कि आपको इंटरनेट में मिल जाएगी आराम से। इसी के साथ कैम्बल बुक अगर आप रिफर कर सकते हैं तो यूज कर लेना। फॉर केमिस्ट्री ऑर्गेनिक के लिए ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बाय जोनाथन क्लेडन, फिजिकल के लिए फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री बाय एटकिंस, इनऑर्गेनिक के लिए भी इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बाय एटकिंस, फिजिक्स के लिए फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ फिजिक्स बाय रेसनिक एंड हेलिडे एंड एच.सी. वर्मा, मैथमेटिक्स के लिए सिंगेज पब्लिकेशंस एंड बालाजी पब्लिकेशन सीरीज के आप जो भी बुक्स हैं वो यूज कर सकते हैं। बट ऑब्वियसली बुक्स के लिए बहुत ही कम टाइम बचा है, तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप कोचिंग मॉड्यूल्स को प्रिफर करें। इतने कम टाइम में 2 से 3 महीने में अगर आपको आइजर नाइजर के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, तो इनफैक्ट किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए करना है, तो आप सबसे पहले तो आपके खुद के नोट्स होने चाहिए। अगर वो नहीं है, आपने नहीं बनाए साल भर, तो आपको कोचिंग मॉड्यूल्स रिफर करने चाहिए। ये मुझे पर्सनली लगता है। बुक्स पढ़ने के लिए आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, आपको एच.सी. वर्मा खुद आके आपके डाउट क्लियर नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो सभी ऑथर्स से आप क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछ सकते, तो इसीलिए मैं रिकमेंड करता हूं आपको मेंटर होना बहुत जरूरी है। भैया व्हाट शुड आई डू? शुड आई फॉलो एनसीईआरटी, एच.सी. वर्मा और the coaching modules? भैया what are the books you recommend for PCMB, for ISER and NISER preparation? So in this video I am going to clear all of these confusion regarding the books and preparation material for ISER, NISER, ISC Bangalore, ISI-CMI, any of these entrance examinations for research institutes in India.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए साई एस्ट्रा और करे अपने IIT नेस्ट का सपना साकार। डाउनलोड द ऐप नाउ।
सबसे पहले there is no particular answer to this question. It is a very subjective question. It depends on you, because how do you grasp the concepts in a good way? Do you understand more by self studying, or do you need a mentor for yourself? A lot of toppers you will see without any guidance they can go to IITs, ISER, NISER, but at the same time you will see lot of toppers within top 10, top 100. They take help of the mentors, they follow some of the coaching modules or whatever study material, but they have got very good mentors in their life, as a result, who help them to give them a proper direction and strategy. As a result, they qualify. So you see both kind of people, right? You see the people with coaching going to good institutes, without coaching going to good institutes. Now, the answer to the question you need books or not depends on your preparation. So if you are a person who has a lot of problems when you solve questions in the books, you cannot ask the author of the book to, give you the solutions or, clear your doubts. If you need a mentor, if you think you need some self-discipline, so that a mentor who can take live classes for you, who can have interaction and doubt clearing class for you, if you need these kind of guidance, then I won't recommend books for you. But if you're a person who thinks that, your concepts are really good, if you have got already some good mentors, first of all, you need a mentor. Whether you do any coaching or not, if you have school mentors or not, if your parents are mentors for you or not, no matter whether you are in any stage, you always need a mentor. At least from my experience, I have been a person who did not take any help of any mentors. I was a student who used to, so much rely on the self-studying. I got 95% in my 12th, I got 96% in class 10, 97% in 11th by self-studying. But I could not qualify any of the entrance examination in my first attempt. I could not qualify NEST, I could not qualify JEE Advanced. Why? Because I did not take anyone's help and I did not know what to do, how to prepare for them. So, as I told you, first of all, it depends on your preparation. Second, in general, now if you will still ask me like, Bhaiya, what to do at least, right? So I need to give you an answer. The answer is, out of the NCERT, H.C. Verma and the coaching modules, I would actually prefer coaching modules. If I was at your situation, I would definitely go for coaching modules. Why? First of all, NCERT is good for the basics, but it is not very good for the advanced level questions. Second, about the H.C. Verma, again, H.C. Verma sometimes has good questions to clear your concept. Sometimes it has a lot of very good level questions, but then who will clear your doubts? When I used to do my H.C. Verma, I used to solve them, then I used to have so many doubts. Like I used to think that this is a concept I have already studied, but why am I not able to solve the question from H.C. Verma? As a result, I would become demotivated, I would become frustrated, I would not want to study anymore. So those kind of things would happen. Third is that the coaching modules, the thing is that the people who have made those modules, the people who have already worked so hard to, collect the materials from HC Verma, from NCERT, from Olympiads, from very high level books including Erudove, or from the basic level like NCERT. First of all, make sure that you are in a good institute, you have got good mentors, and the quality of those materials you are using are good. So in that case, I would definitely recommend, coaching modules instead of HC Verma and NCERT. Why? Because they are already refined. They are made to your level. There is segregation that level 1, level 2. And what are the things you should be doing? There is proper strategy and direction given to you from your mentors. Right now in this situation, you have so many study materials, so many coaching institutes, so many mentors on YouTube available for free. As a result, you all are so much distracted. You are confused whether to follow HC Verma, whether to follow this material or that material, to follow NCERT, what to do. So this having so many choices have even been proven wrong. As a result, a lot of people are worried about, coaching mentors, study materials, instead of focusing on one thing and doing it properly so that you can qualify these entrance examinations. So what I highly recommend is, first of all, decide one thing for yourself. If you think you need help of mentors and guidance, go for the coaching materials. If you think you can do everything by yourself, you have been doing it that way, and check your level. First of all, check your level. Even if you think that you have been doing everything by self-studying, I also used to do everything by self-studying, but solve at least previous year papers or the free mock test available on my website or app, and find out, is your self-study really enough? If it is enough, then go for the books like HC Verma or different subjects. For example, people ask me for organic. I can give you a book called Claydon. It is a big thick book. You cannot cover this book, and it has so advanced level concepts. People doing their bachelor's, master's and PhD refer to these books. Therefore, I highly recommend you stick to one thing and follow it throughout the year. If you want to know more about what kind of preparation study materials you will be getting in Cyastra app, so you can see our free study materials in Cyastra app. Our website also you can visit. You will see so many free study materials, mock tests, important questions and chapters. A lot of our questions were repeated from the mock test to the actual next examination, and even ISER aptitude test. So all of those resources you can use for free on our app and website. All the best. See you in the next video. You can pause this video, take a screenshot for each of the subject: physics, chemistry, maths and bio. I hope this video was useful to you. All the best. See you in these top research institutes. Jai Hind.